Anderson Cooper 360, weeknights at 8 and 10 on CNN.
Well, divided Supreme Court today struck down key parts of the Voting Rights Act of 1965. This was one of the most closely watched cases on the court's docket. The 5-4 ruling found that Congress had not provided adequate justification for subjecting 9 states, mostly in the South, to federal oversight. Now, the rationale outlined in the majority opinion was that the law passed at the peak of the civil rights era is out of date. The ruling leaves it up to Congress to revise the law. We've also got a 360 follow, and the court doing something it doesn't often do. It issued a ruling in a wrenching child custody case. Now, not many custody battles end up on the Supreme Court's docket, but this one, known to many as the Baby Veronica case, turned on the Indian Child Welfare Act, a 35-year-old federal law. Now, this is Baby Veronica at the center of this case. She's now 3 years old, and we've been following her case closely. The 5-4 decision issued by the justices appears to be a victory for Veronica's adoptive parents, but it is complicated. We're going to get to the ruling and what it means in a moment, but first, here's Randy Kay with how the case got all the way to the highest court in the nation.
This is video from the last time Matt and Melanie Capobianco saw their little girl Veronica, New Year's Eve 2011. They had raised her for 2 years and were in the process of adopting her when a South Carolina family court ordered them to hand her over to the girl's biological father.
Do you think this is in her best interest?
I think so.
A man Veronica had never even met.
For a little girl to be put in a car with strangers and driven to Oklahoma and having no recourse or control over it. It was all, I mean, you know, we're her parents, I'm her father, you know. I'm supposed to be there to protect her. And
You want to be an engineer when you grow up?
Now 3, Veronica is caught in the middle of one of the strangest adoption cases we've ever heard. It all began in 2009, before she was born, when Veronica's biological mother put her up for adoption.
I don't know if you want me to.
The Capobiancos were thrilled when an adoption attorney connected them with Veronica's biological mom. She told them the girl's father, Dustin Brown, had agreed to waive his parental rights. When Veronica was born, it was Matt who cut the umbilical cord. Ever since, she'd lived with them in South Carolina.
I guess people think that we're not supposed to love her until the ink is dry. We're supposed to kind of care for her until, you know, everything is, you know, years down the line and she's adopted.
The Capobiancos were heartbroken when just 4 months after they brought Veronica home, her biological father filed for paternity and custody, even though he had already signed a legal document saying he would not contest Veronica's adoption. He was able to do so thanks to a little-known federal law from 1978 called the Indian Child Welfare Act. You see, Brown is part Cherokee and a member of the Cherokee Nation, which means Veronica is part Cherokee too. Congress passed the law after finding 30% of Indian children were being removed from their homes, and almost all of them were being placed with non-Indian families. The law is designed to keep Indian children with Indian family members and protect the interests of those children.
I don't know how tearing a child away from the only family she's ever known without any transition period and no visitation is in her best interest.
The Attorney General for the Cherokee Nation thinks the law is working.
It's not anyone's ever intent to rip a child away from a loving home, but we want to make sure those loving homes have the opportunity to be Indian homes first.
What ethnicity?
After the family court ruled in Dustin Brown's favor, the Capobiancos petitioned the South Carolina Supreme Court, hoping the higher court would overturn the ruling. After more than 3 months of waiting, the Capobiancos got more bad news. The Supreme Court here in South Carolina ruled in favor of Veronica's biological father. It wasn't an easy decision for the court, though. The justices were split 3-2. In the majority opinion, they wrote, they're upholding the family court's ruling with a heavy heart. The majority opinion concluded the biological father and his family have created a safe, loving, and appropriate home for her. Those in the dissenting opinion argued federal law shouldn't trump state law, finding father knowingly abandoned his parental responsibilities in every respect. Lawyers for Dustin Brown say, quote, he is a good parent and Veronica is happy, healthy, and thriving. Since she went to live with her biological father, the Capobiancos say they have only been allowed to speak with her once.
I told her we loved her and She said, "I love you too," and that was it.
But Matt and Melanie didn't give up. They took their case to the Supreme Court and just today heard the ruling. The court sided with the Capobiancos, but the journey is not over.
The Capobiancos now have to go back to family court in South Carolina and at long last finalize the adoption. They should get it. They should win, but it could be contested and it could take months.
This is her room.
The Capobiancos have always held out hope that Veronica would come back to them.
You know, this is our home. It'll always be our home, but she's gonna come home. She's gonna play with stuff again, and
It's a symbol of our hope that she's coming home.
Randy Kay, CNN, Charleston, South Carolina.